Hey guys, so welcome to Grumpy Vegan Grandad, Dan here. So yesterday, I went to pick my son up from Norwich. He's at university there doing graphic design. But I thought, why am I driving all the way down there, like a 3.5 hour, maybe 4 hour drive, and then just coming straight back? So I thought, I need to do a little bit of activism. I need to do something down there. And originally I got in contact with Vegan Gays, because there was a We the Free Cube, but that was the week before, and there was nothing happening this week. I later found out there was. So I asked if Ellie could put me in contact with someone to do a bit of action down there. So she put me in contact with Gemma and Jamie, who offered to put me up. They fed me. They were absolutely brilliant. Got on like a house on fire. And basically what we were going to do was going to try and find some pig farms to go on. Just to have a look at the conditions and maybe expose them. This is what these guys do down there quite a lot. So I gets down there, meets up with my son, go to Wagamama, first time I've ever been. Wow, what did I have? Chicken teriyaki or something like that. Noodles, I don't know, but it was bloody gorgeous, bloody hot and spicy though. And then I went back to meet the guys. We had a look at a few farms on maps and had a look at a few businesses. And we picked 3 farms to go, which all stated that they were pig farms. We set off in the evening after dark. It was absolutely foggy, which was good. It was cool conditions to be sneaking around farms. The first 2 were just dairy farms. We were absolutely devastated because it did say on there that they were pig farms, but they must have either ceased trading with pigs or they decided against it, or I don't know. But there were no pigs on either side, so we had one option left. And when we got to this place, we could hear them before we could see them. But the thing was, it was totally surrounded by houses. The farmhouse was overlooking on a hill above the farm, and it was quite a bit bigger than the bit we show you in the video. We should really recce these places and spend quite a bit of time checking them out and looking for cameras, looking for alarms, and but this was a spur of the moment thing. So again, it's only a short sort of sequence inside the shed, which we think was either finishing or we don't know. If you guys can still say what part this was, let us know. But we were pretty sure that they were firing crates on there. There was other sheds around the corner, but right next to where we went in this first shed was a post with looked like sensors and a camera on it. We weren't sure. We couldn't see it properly, again, because of the fog. But yeah, what we saw in there wasn't nice. These small farms, you think they'd take a bit more care of their animals. You think, oh, your small local pig farm. Yeah, we look after our animals. Yeah, they're happy animals. Take a look at this, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Yeah, no kidding. That's better. Looks like a little bite. Look at him, Grandad. Fucking hell, man. It's alright, babies. Oh, it stinks in here. They're all in their own filth. Oh my god. Look at all the shit. definitely scared of humans, aren't they? It's alright, babies. It's alright. Why don't they clear the shit out? Look at it all. That is absolutely disgusting. Poor buggers. What's that about? 3 meters square. How many pigs are in there? Shh, alright, it's alright. Hide your torch. Roger that. Maybe shield the top of it. Point it down. Yeah, go on. Go for the top of the torch. Bring it down. That's it, that's it. Look how curious they are. Young boy there. It's alright, shh. Oh man, look how broken that one is. It's just disgusting. Say again. Say again. Horrible shit everywhere. And this is just a small holding. This is just a small holding. You think you'd look after them a little bit better, wouldn't you? Oh, mate. Look at the state. And this is just a small holding. This is just a small pig farm. You think they'd look after them a little bit better, wouldn't you? Oh, hello, mate. Hello. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello, guys. Oh, I wish I could get you out, but I can't. Turn your torch off. Right, we'll stop filming. You're all pretty good. I think so.
You are getting up that way. Is there any more sheds down there?
Yeah, but it's not, I think there's a camera there and not closed.
I think
we called it. We need to check it out in the daylight and see where we can get to.
It's a big old place. Well, at
I've
least
got a little bit of footage.
they might have farrowing crates here, I reckon.
Yeah,
I bet they could farrow and check that, you know.
yeah, that's good.
And then John, if you hold it hot.
For me to go. So we've just been to this little small holding. 3 farms we visited tonight. 2 weren't what we expected. We did get on there, had a look round, but we were looking specifically for pig farms. This one is a pig farm. As you can see, dead tiny space for the pigs in disgusting conditions. We're in Norwich now. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. And these little farms, these little small holdings that just use and abuse pigs, they're dotted all over the place. We're absolutely in the middle of nowhere at the moment, absolutely in the middle of nowhere. Nobody even knows these places exist. You wouldn't even know they were there until we got near and the pigs started snorting and growling. But we did try and do more, but unfortunately it's really, really foggy. We don't know whether there's cameras on there. We need to check the farm out and come and have a proper look next time, so maybe, but for now that's all we can do. Thanks.